Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. I have exciting details about this month's giveaway to share with you guys, as well as the unboxing for your creative studio. Now, Amanda makes these beautiful subscription boxes filled with stationery goodies, and this was actually the month of May, the box for May, but I received it basically at the end of May. You know how everything is going on right now with the postal services, so I was happy to get it. And of course, as I've said before, whenever I get a box of goodies from her, I'm going to put together some mail to send out to one of my subscribers. So the first thing that I just pulled out is a sticker sheet, which she includes in all of her subscription boxes. I will also link Amanda's shop below for your creative studio. These look like they are stickers and they are wax seals, which I am so excited about. I can't wait to use these because I've been working on some mail art, and I think these will be a perfect addition to that. So they come in about 4 different colors from what I can see here, and I can't wait to use these. So stay tuned. I will also show you how I use some of the products, and then I'll be asking you some questions that you can answer for me, and if you want to enter the giveaway. So the next piece here, it looks like it's a little charm, and some of the kits include a charm, but there's always something different in them. They haven't been the same so far. This little charm looks like a scroll, so it's a really nice addition to this kit. And of course, I can see the theme of it being writing, stationery, which is just perfect for what I've been working on recently. If you guys have seen my snail mail playlist, I have quite a few videos just giving you different ideas on mail that you can send to friends or to pen pals, and I just really love adding to that series, so this is going to be perfect for that. So this is a little washi tape, and it has the months of the year. So again, this is perfect for journaling, your planners. As you can see here, they look like it's a typewriter print, so it's really nice as well. I like that. Anything like that is just really great to use. These are sticky notes, it looks like, and I would even use this packaging. That's another thing as well. If you guys know me, I enjoy using just about everything that I can recycle and repurpose. Okay, these sticky notes are meant to look like, I guess, paper that's been edged and it's aged, I should say, but to me it looks like toast. I see toast. Maybe I'm hungry. Okay, these are other sticky notes, and they're very nice. I like the neutral tone to them. So as you can see here, everything sort of is very nicely coordinated. It goes together with the colors and the theme. And as I said, each box that I have seen so far is different. If you are interested in seeing other boxes that I have received, I will link the videos below. I have quite a few unboxings for your creative studio, and each one is a nice surprise to go through. Now at the beginning, when I showed you guys the box, the cover or the lid, on the lid it said that there's a surprise underneath the tissue paper. That hasn't happened before, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what's underneath the tissue paper. The kits also, or the subscription box, usually includes a paper pad. I really like them because most of them are perforated, so you can kind of use 2 pieces separately in your work. And these stamps look so lovely. I already know what I'm going to do with these because, as I said, I've been working on some mail art, and I think these are perfect for what I want to do. This is a stamp, and she usually includes a couple of different stamps, either the clear stamps that you need to kind of add your stamp pad to, or the wooden ones like this one. And this says to and from, and it's a really nice small print, if you can see that. Oh, I can't wait to use that one. And then this also has some nice scrapbook paper, so you can see everything is just so nicely coordinated. I really enjoy, the unboxings because it's just such a nice variety of pieces. So underneath the tissue, which I will end up using in something, it's the, well, for sure I'm going to use that paper, but it looks like a quill pen, a feather pen. I'm not even sure what to call it. So let me just show you guys. It's one of those not refillable, dip pens. I'm not even sure what to call them, but this is very exciting to me because I've been wanting to use this ink that I have, and this will be perfect for it. And it's actually like a feather, so it's very nice. It's such a nice addition to this set. It will look beautiful on my desk, especially when I'm writing to someone and I can maybe write their name with the special pen. So here I'm just showing you some pieces that I've been working on for my mail art. So I'm going to be doing something similar. I've been trying to do some vintage style stationery. These envelopes, I only have maybe like 4 or 5 of them. They came in like a bunch of cards that I had picked up from a thrift store a while back, and I like that it had the little carriage and horse detail on the inside. Anyway, so I wanted to kind of incorporate those in something, and this is another envelope that I've lightly coffee stained because I wanted that crinkly feel to the paper. And what I've been doing is using my script stamp, and this is meant to be sort of very loosely stamped on, so I don't want it to be perfect. I sort of want some like this, exactly how some areas are darker, some are lighter. And then I want to use some of these stamps because it definitely makes a perfect addition, like I said, to what I'm going to be working on. And I love to see how it comes out. Look how nice that is with the stamp of the feather pen with the actual one right beside it. So I'll be making a couple more of these and then just show you how they're turning out, because I'm sort of thinking of making them into a little set myself. So these could be anything, little pockets in journals. They could oh, this one here, this envelope is a different color on the inside, but it's got the same little carriage with the horse-drawn carriage. So I think I don't know, I'm going to definitely figure out where I'll be using those, but I think they just look nice if you kind of make a little set of things. Like I said, I will leave the link below to Amanda's shop. I know that her subscription boxes sell out way ahead, so you may be able to get the next couple months subscriptions, but everyone that I know that has received them is so happy with the variety that she includes in them. Like I said, it's such a joy for me to open the boxes and go through the pieces that are included. And then here for this one, I'm adding the wooden stamp, just to see how that looks. So I love how it's coming out. Okay, let's try the pen. Like I said, I have the ink that I've been wanting to use, and this pen, I think it's a dip pen. So what ends up happening here is because I haven't used this before, I kind of stopped filming and then tried the pen, and then once I got a little used to how it feels, then I kind of started filming again because I wasn't sure how any of this was going to turn out. It's my first time using it. I mean, I'm very excited about it, but it takes a little bit to get used to holding it and kind of using that up. So as you can see, I just kind of made a little bit of scribbles up above the ones I'm showing you here, and still it's I still have to get used to holding the pen and using it. So, but I love it, Amanda. Everything is beautiful. Okay, so if you're entering the giveaway, here are the questions. Where in the world are you watching me from? And what was the last craft related item that you purchased? So if you leave those answers below, as well, I will leave details of the giveaway in the description box. Questions, comments, please leave them below. And I really had so much fun playing with these pieces. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you very shortly. Bye.